Hey guys, it's me Zoe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in the last video I posted, I said I was teaching myself and you guys how to get a screen recorder on your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. Well, here I am doing it. And in today's video, I'm going to be looking at text messaging fails. So I've seen other YouTubers do this, like Sniper Wolf and Azzyland and all those other YouTubers, and I wanted to try something new and try it. And I know this is like my third video in a day, but I've done all my summer stuff and I'm kind of bored right now, so that's what I'm doing right now. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe by turning this list by clicking the like button and hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Sorry guys, I'm about to sneeze. Okay, it's gone. And without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Let's go. Hey guys, all I have to say for this one is this mom needs to learn her stuff. Okay, let's start reading this. So the mom said, "Your great aunt Pat just passed away. LOL." And then the son or daughter, whoever it is, their kid was like, "Why is that funny?" And the mom was like, "It's not funny, David. What do you mean?" And he was like, "Mom, LOL means laughing out loud." And she's like, "Oh my goodness, I said that to everyone. I thought it means lots of love. I have to call everyone back. Oh my god." All I have to say is this mom needs to learn her 2019 trendy stuff, okay? Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so this girl named Sarah is texting her friend named Joelle, I think, and she's like, Sarah said, "You're so drunk, Joelle," and Joelle's like, "Not that much," and Sarah's like, "You picked up every rock on the way home and yelled, 'Where are you, Patrick Star?'" And Joelle's like, "So, not that bad," and then, sorry guys, and Sarah's like, "I'm not done yet. Then you cut up every pineapple in the fruit shop and yell, 'Die, SpongeBob, die!' and fine $300 for not paying for them." And Joelle's like, "Crap." Okay, so I would not recommend any of this. Even when you're drunk, do not try and do this. On to the next one. Okay, here's another mom that just needs to learn her stuff. Okay, so she sent a poop emoji, and the daughter's like, or son, and he or she is like, "Oh geez," and the mom's like, "Little chocolate kiss with eyes watching over you," and the son or daughter's like, "LOL, it's a poop with eyes, mom," and she's like, "Oh really? I thought it was a chocolate kiss, LOL," and the daughter or son's like, "Ha ha ha, definitely a poop, mama bear," and she's like, "I am so sorry, ha, LOL." Hey guys, here's another one that's honestly just like kind of sad. So this mom definitely has more than one kid because it says mom up at the top, and mom's like, "Love you, kiddo," and the daughter or son is like, "Oh, thanks, love you too," and the mom's like, "Sorry, wrong person." So she may have a favorite, which is really sad. In my family, my brother watches my YouTube videos and he laughs so hard over some of them. And we always fight over who's the favorite. And honestly, he says he's the favorite, and he is, but I'm the favorite. So, anyways, go on to the next one. So guys, at the beginning I probably said, "Oh, Sniper Wolf and Azzyland does this." This is Sniper Wolf, and I told you she reacts to some of these. And yeah, so this one says, "I'm going to a party," and mom and whoever is texting was like, "Will you be drinking?" "No." "Will it be drugs?" "No." "Then why are you freaking going?" So if this is the mom texting back, why would you want your son or daughter going to a party if you don't want them getting hungover or drunk or big? Guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe by turning this by clicking the like button. Bye, guys. And if you're watching this, brother, I'm the favorite, so you can just stop. Lots of love. Bye.